Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving session 970, powerful integer. So given two powerful integer x and y, an integer is powerful if it is equal to x to the I plus y to the j for some I larger or greater or equal to 0 and j greater or equal to 0, and then return a list of all powerful integers they have value less than or equal to bound. And you might return an answer in any order, so each value should occur at one most. So basically, if this is 2, 3, and bound is 10, you just check that where 2 to the I plus 3 to the I, and you just check which one is less than 10, and then you print all of it. Okay, so we can use, so it's very the easy way is that we can use to loop, right? So basically we can start from L equals, so L is the answer list, which is empty, and then we start from to loop I and j, and the D defined to be this. If D is less than bound, then we might need to enter it. We might need to collect it via L, right? But the problem is that each value will only occur at most once, right? So if D is not in L, we just append it and then return L. So the problem is that how to determine this is 20, right? So what is the upper bound for this range? Okay. And the reason is that the bound is less than 2 to the 6, right? So in the most extreme case, okay, so we can prove. So now we have, so in the beginning, we will, we should start from some xi plus yj, right? Which is less than, so suppose that, so the problem is that what is the range, or what is the maximum range for this power? Okay, so I claim that the minimum range is safe, which place safe is 20. Okay, and the reason is that it's obvious that this xi plus yj can be definitely larger than 2 to I plus 2 to the j. Right, and it will definitely larger than the 2 to the I, so plus minimum ij. Right, if I let it to larger than the bound. Okay. So this means that if I take the log and I get the log of 2, right, times this index. Let's say so this is the minimum bound. So let's say x larger than 6, right? So x is 6 divided by log 2, right? Basis 10. So this is like 0.301, so which is close to 19 something, right? So to play safe, we just 20, right, for our range, right? We just choose 20 to play safe. Okay, I think, yeah, okay, yes, okay. I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.